What is the worst thing someone could do on a first date?
Probably show up in like a really bad outfit. I think outfits are important on first dates. Like if he comes in with like flip flops on, not a vibe.
Not gonna work.
I would say smell bad.
What is the worst thing someone could do on a first date? Biggest turnoff.
Be rude to the server.
I agree again with you on that one. Manners are important. What is the worst thing to do on a first date?
Worst thing to do on a first date is ask to split the check.
Don't ask like to go Dutch.
Interesting.
Just pay the bill.
It's got to be money. I mean, if the, has to be. The man has to pay for a date.
Okay.
That's the rule.
Fine by me. What is the worst thing that someone could do on a first date? Biggest turnoff.
Not show up.
Very true. Getting ghosted is not what you want.